Welcome to Cadillac 765, where legends of the road come alive in their purest, most iconic form. In 1954, the world witnessed something truly majestic on American roads, a car that didn't just define luxury, it redefined it. The 1954 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible was not just a machine, it was a statement, a symbol of post-war prosperity, of American pride, and of design perfection. As the sun glistened on its chrome-laden body, the Eldorado stood apart, bold, elegant, and effortlessly glamorous. Let's take a ride back to 1954. Exterior design. At first glance, the Eldorado looked like it came straight from a dream. Its long, sweeping lines, wide stance, and polished chrome trim made it the star of any boulevard. The wraparound windshield was something new, giving drivers a panoramic view of the world ahead, while the sleek tailfins hinted at the rocket age America was racing toward. And that grille, bold, proud, dripping in chrome, made sure everyone knew this was Cadillac, the standard of the world. Available in a range of striking colors like Alpine White, Aztec Red, and Bahama Blue, each Eldorado convertible looked like a piece of art sculpted for motion. Interior comfort and style. Inside, Cadillac gave you nothing less than royal treatment. Genuine leather seats, power windows, power adjustable seats, and a dashboard that blended luxury with precision engineering. The steering wheel was massive, yet graceful, a reminder that you were in control of something grand. From the gold-plated Eldorado script on the dash to the deep carpet underfoot, everything spoke one word: excellence. Even in 1954, this car had features that were futuristic: electric top operation, signal-seeking radio, and power steering that made driving smooth as silk. Performance and power. Under the hood lived a powerhouse, a 331 cubic inch V8 engine producing 230 horsepower, a marvel of its time. It offered seamless acceleration, refined shifting through its Hydromatic automatic transmission, and a ride so smooth that you barely felt the road. Cadillac engineers tuned the suspension for both comfort and control, a balance few cars could match. When you pressed the accelerator, the Eldorado didn't roar, it whispered power with grace. Driving experience. Driving this beauty wasn't just transportation, it was theater. The wind in your hair, the soft rumble of the V8, and the feeling of gliding through time. Each turn of the wheel reminded you why Cadillac was the car of presidents, movie stars, and dreamers alike. People didn't just look at the 1954 Eldorado, they admired it, respected it. It wasn't about speed, it was about status, serenity, and sophistication. Historical significance. The 1954 Eldorado marked Cadillac's second year for this iconic nameplate, and it became the inspiration for luxury convertibles around the world. Only 2,150 units were ever produced, making it a collector's treasure today. Its combination of performance, design, and prestige laid the foundation for Cadillac's golden era throughout the 1950s. The car even introduced styling cues that would later influence other GM brands, especially the famous tailfin evolution that became a cultural symbol. Today, when car enthusiasts talk about true American classics, the 1954 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible stands proudly among legends. At auctions, these cars command high respect and even higher prices, not just because they're rare, but because they represent something greater. An era when cars were built with soul, when design was art, and when driving was an experience, not a routine. Owning a 1954 Eldorado today is like owning a piece of America's golden dream, timeless, elegant, and unforgettable. As the sun sets behind the horizon and the Cadillac Eldorado cruises by, chrome glinting, engine humming softly, one thing becomes clear: this isn't just a car. It's poetry on wheels. It's a masterpiece that defined what luxury truly meant. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the everlasting charm of the 1954 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible. At Cadillac 765, where every car has a heartbeat, and every classic tells a story.